So far, we have dealt with lex files in this format where there is a definition section, then there is subroutine section, then there is a rule section. And in all these files, we have accepted the input stream from the terminal and we have written the output back to the terminal. So, is there any other way for that? Yes, we can handle input and output in different ways using two predefined file pointers in lex library or flex library known as YYIN and YYOUT. Suppose that you need to make your lexer or lex.yy.c to accept input from or to read from a file other than your standard input. So you can make a YYIN to point to that file pointer. Similarly, if you wish to write out whatever Lex is giving or the lexical analyzer that you have prepared is giving out instead of into the terminal, maybe into some other source, you can use YYOUT. So let's see how that could be done. So if we consider this file, we have the rule section, then we have the definition section as usual, then the main function is written on the subroutine part. And if you observe this main function, we have defined two predefined locations, that is input and output. Okay, so if you observe here, I have created an input text file. It consists of the string hello, how are you? So this is going to be passed to the lex.yy.c we are going to create from this particular file. Okay, output.txt is still not created. It will be created by the lex.yy.c when it runs. So these names or their paths are predefined. Then what we are going to do is we are opening a file pointer to input.txt in read mode. And we are checking if it was proper. If it is not, a message is displayed and we will be quitting the main function. If you observe the next line, what we are doing is if it is success. So if we are able to open a file pointer to input.txt, then that file pointer is assigned to YYN. So when we do this, what essentially happens is our lex.yy.c or lexer that we have created will start reading the input stream from this file when YYLX is called. Okay, so when YYLX is called, it won't take from the terminal, it will take from input.txt. So essentially it will be reading hello, how are you? Okay. Then if you see next, what we are doing is we are creating a file pointer to another file named output.txt, which is going to be the file where the output from the lexer is going to be written and it is opened in write mode. So every time you run the program, it will be entire file will be rewritten. So as usual, I check to ensure that a proper file opening was done is done. Then if it is successful, YYOUT is set to this file pointer. So if you observe here, we are actually setting the input file pointer as well as output file pointer in these areas. So YYN is set first, YYOUT is set first, then only YYLX is called. So before YYLX is called, we need to set from where we are going to get the input stream and where we are going to write the output from the lexer. So once YYLX is called, as we know, the logic to match these regular expressions and do the actions will be executed. So as per this logic or this rule section, what is written, if a small case alphabet is found, then this particular message will be displayed. Then if an uppercase alphabet is found, then uppercase as well as the pattern that passed, it will be displayed. If a digit is found, this message, then for any other character, other will be shown. Okay, so that is YYLX. Then after that, according to our standard procedure, we have to close the open files, right? YYIN and YYOUT are pointing to the open input file and open output file. So we can close them. Then we can actually terminate this main function. That's how this is supposed to work. So let us run this program. I am having hello, how are you as the contents of input.txt. So what I'm going to do is first I'm feeding this lex script to lex tool. Then I am giving lex.yy.c to the C compiler with option to include the flex library. Then I am running out. So this will be the only thing that we will get on the terminal, because here we are having only one print message, right? And only that print message will be displayed. So it means that the thing is complete. So we need to go and check the folder. Output.txt is there. If I open it, we can see that as per the rules section, actions will be executed. So this is how you can make custom files as input and output to a lecture.